Hello, my name is Blaze Domek, and today I'll discuss the situation at hand. COVID-19, or also known as coronavirus. The coronavirus epidemic is something that is affecting all of us on a global level, and it's caused mass panic, fear, and confusion. Because of how easy this virus spreads, anyone is susceptible to contracting COVID-19, and we must take responsibility as humans to try everything we can to stop this global pandemic. Everyone, not just those of us who are ill, needs to practice social distancing until the CDC states it is no longer necessary. By taking measures such as social distancing, we can minimize it and reduce the possibilities of this virus spreading further and hopefully allowing us to extinguish this wildfire. COVID-19 is a recent form of coronavirus that has caused a global pandemic of respiratory disease that is highly contagious and spreads person to person very easily. As stated by the CDC, this situation poses a serious public health risk, and the federal government is working closely with state, local, tribal, and territorial partners, as well as public health partners, to respond to the situation. COVID-19 can cause mild to severe illness. Most severe illness occurs in older adults. COVID-19 is also known to be transmitted mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets made when someone infected coughs or sneezes. These droplets can enter another person's body, thereby infecting them. As of right now, there are no known cures or vaccines. What makes this virus so easy to transmit is that somebody who is infected can show no sign of illness for up to 14 days and be highly contagious. People who have been exposed to this coronavirus or may be at risk to get it need to self-quarantine. This means maintaining good hygiene and wash your hands frequently. Staying at home and not going around other people. It is recommended this lasts 2 weeks because by the end of the time period, you'll know if you're sick or not. The severity of this virus changes daily depending on your geographical location, but all in all, it's pretty bad. With regards to how rapidly COVID-19 is spreading, the situation has not been able to be contained. The current death toll worldwide is 925,263. And in the U.S., where we have the most confirmed cases, the death toll is 209,315. The shockwave this virus has caused is felt by every individual on our earth. There's still so much to be learned about this virus. We are still only in the beginning stages. We will have to act in ways that are out of normal. We will all have to share this burden of responsibility, and we must do our part to end this pandemic. You may be wondering, what can I do to fulfill my role in helping stop this virus? Well, the first thing we can all do, as recommended by the CDC, is participate in social distancing. Social distancing is deliberately increasing the physical space between people to avoid spreading illness. Staying at least 6 feet away from other people lessens your chances of catching COVID-19. To effectively carry out this guideline, we must cancel concerts, sporting events, or any other types of large social gatherings. Schools and non-essential businesses must be closed. People need to isolate themselves from people outside of their immediate family and stay at home unless they absolutely have to leave. By taking these measures, it allows hospitals to have space for 6 patients. The supplies needed to treat people and allows for more of our crucial healthcare workers to treat the people who badly need the care. By taking care of yourself and following the CDC guidelines, you help slow the spread and help yourself and others to lower the curve.